Yeah, cool. Oh, that's a great song. You kidding me? Well, hey guys, my name is Brook Ellingworth. I didn't come from Coventry, but I came from Oxford.
I used to live there.
You did?
Yeah, it was alright.
It was alright.
Much better than Coventry.
Yeah, it's true. I had this really bad habit of going back and forth to Nashville, and it's bad. But I get to write with some really amazing people. This was one of the first co-writes I ever did. And the story goes, there's this boy and a girl, and they grew up in a small town, both madly in love with each other, been together for years. And the girl, she had these huge dreams of leaving and going off to LA. So they bought this old truck together and they fixed it up and they saved up a load of money. And she finally got to leave. So she did. Leaving the boy back home heartbroken. But instead of us writing this song as if the boy's singing to the girl, we had it as if the boy's singing to the truck to bring her back to him. So this one's called Truck Stop. Some folks call her white trash. She grew up in a trailer park. She saved her tips from the diesel diner where she smiled and played the part. Bought a beat-up silver auto, fixed her up on our days off. She flipped a coin and we were done, and the West Coast won the toss. Truck stop, anchor, make a turn around, come back home. Right now instead of being LA bound, make her take a second look in your rear view and change her mind somehow. Truck stop, make a turn. Turn around. Play that song on your radio, make her wanna drown it out. Let her take her back in time and make her wanna cry right out loud. Truck stop, make her turn around, come back home. Right now instead of being LA bound, make her take a second look in your rear view and change her mind somehow. Truck stop, that girl, make her turn around. Oh yeah. Jump off that next exit, break the speed of sound. I'll be waiting where she left me. Let her put your pedal down. Truck